Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Netflix plan to premium, upgrade guide step by step clearly. Open the Netflix app on your phone or tablet, or go to netflix.com on a computer. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection to avoid errors during the update. Tap or click sign in if you are not already logged into your Netflix account. Enter your email and password, then confirm you are inside the correct profile account. Go to the top right corner and select your profile icon to open the account menu. Choose Account to access your membership and billing settings. On the account page, find the section called Plan Details or Membership and Billing. Click or tap Change Plan to see all available Netflix plans. Review the plan options and locate Premium in the list. Confirm that Premium includes the highest video quality and the most simultaneous streams available in your region. Check the price shown for Premium and make sure you are comfortable with the monthly cost. If you share Netflix with family, confirm how many people will watch at the same time. Select the Premium plan by clicking or tapping the Premium option. Press Continue or Next to move to the confirmation screen. Read the billing message that explains when the new price will start. If Netflix shows an effective date, note whether the change applies immediately or on your next billing cycle. Verify the payment method on file, such as credit card, debit card, or PayPal. If you need to update your payment, go to Manage Payment Info and enter the new details carefully. Return to the Change Plan screen if you updated payment details and continue again. Confirm the plan name says Premium before you finalize the upgrade. Click or tap Confirm Change to submit the upgrade request. Wait for the confirmation message that your plan has been successfully updated. If you do not see confirmation, refresh the page or close and reopen the Netflix app. Go back to Account and recheck plan details to ensure it now displays Premium. Open Netflix playback settings on your device and make sure your streaming quality is set to high or best if available. Start a movie or series and test playback on your main device to confirm everything works normally. If you experience issues, sign out and sign back in to sync the new plan across devices. Contact Netflix Help Center from the account page if the Premium option is missing or the change fails. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.